techno beats, jazz in the air. New Orleans, we're already there. The night is young, the crowd is swaying. Jazz piano, the notes are playing. Lo-fi vibes, the room's alive. In this moment, we'll survive. Take my hand, let's drift away. In this haze, we'll find our way. The rhythm's slow, the mood is right. Lazy nights under the city lights. Lazy nights where time stands still. Jazz and techno, a perfect thrill. In New Orleans, the magic's real. Lazy nights, let's make a deal.
So we got the machine back for a few days and we've been able to make a bit more progress, which is good. It's got warm again. It's going to rain tomorrow. I think autumn is coming.
The bass is deep, the melody's sweet. Every step a new heartbeat. The crowds are blurred, the night's a dream. In this moment where it seems. Take my hand, let's drift away. In this haze we'll find our way. The rhythm's slow, the mood is right. Lazy nights under the city lights. Icy nights where time stands still. Jazz and techno, a perfect thrill. In New Orleans, the magic's real. Lazy nights, let's make a deal. The stars above, they seem to shine. In this moment, you're mine. The music fades, but we're still here. In this night, there's nothing to fear. Smooth keys, soft glow, neon lights, let it flow. Techno beats, jazz in the air. New Orleans, we're already there.
Good morning, beautiful morning here in Rauris, and we're cracking on with the facade. So, it's been another day of cutting and stapling. We're actually done with the skin of the house. Now we've been working on the windows. Same method as before, cutting them out to size, leaving a space for waterproof layer and stapling them in, which is good because I get to use up all of the little pieces that I have laying around. So here we have a nice floor system for our attic space, just a few boards with the tongue and groove. They're from larch wood, so they're hard and they should be not too like cracky and clicky up there. So I'm going to put those in now. Simply just screw them into the boards below. So when I'm cutting these boards, I have to remind myself always to cut on the top side, the nice side down, because as you can see, what the saw has a tendency to do is to throw or to rip parts out as you cut through the bottom. So as long as there's nice sides on top, then it doesn't really matter because this goes underneath anyway. But if the nice side's on the bottom, then of course you've got all these kind of like split ends. It's not so nice. Of course it does depend on the quality of the blade. If the blade's really sharp, this one isn't anymore because we've been using it a lot. But yeah, so. And the other thing is when we're putting the boards in, we've got to make sure that the screws are a little bit of an angle so they push the nose into the gap. That's also something we've got to remember to do. Woodwork. It's good fun. For those who can remember, we have a leak in the cooling system where the water ran from the wall into the electrical box, which wasn't great. And yeah, because the painters are coming, we want to get it repaired and plastered over so that, you know, it's all done. So I've got to find that hole now. So I've discovered the damage to the Coulomb pipe. This, I don't know if you can see that, it's like a piece has been cut out of it, and here looks like 2 spots damaged, which is not good. A bit more complicated repair job, so I've got to make the hole bigger and then we can repair it. So the Coulomb pipe has been patched and we will now pressurize it to see if it's leaking anywhere else. We found a 3rd hole. I'm just going through the house now, patching up the other holes that were open or have been opened, or where we've slightly damaged the wall, like here. And so yeah, just having a look through to see where else needs a little bit of plaster touch up. Not that I'm a pro plasterer, mind you, but like little touch ups should be fine. Paint over, job done. Got another one here to do.